Okay guys, there's not really any information out there on these GP 25mm cartridges for the Ninja, but it'll be a short video. I did want to put out some stuff. You will need a special socket for the top of this guy, then 4 holes right there. It's a $110 socket. I made my own. I'll show you that here in just a second. They're not too bad. Basically, you take everything out. You have to machine the end of it off, which is down here somewhere. You machine the end of it off, knock all this stuff out. I will make a video as we're assembling one of these to show you exactly. You leave pretty much everything out, put your bolt back in the bottom. Everything sets back together. They do not, really you don't get any information, but there's a fluid level of 150 millimeters. Like I said, when I make another video, I'll go over everything that I know about doing those cartridges. It was $250 to have them do it, and I did not want to do that. So here's my homemade socket. Took a couple washers and some 1/8 inch cold rolled steel and just welded it to a nut. Basically, I think I had $14 in the entire thing. Yeah, the other one's nicer, but I don't know, we kind of like to do things ourselves. There's the Ninja with this is a 21 Ninja with Akrapovic header exhaust. It's getting the Norton velocity stacks. It's got the Norton clutch upgrade in it. Every piece, the shift star, everything. Vortex rear sets. We're doing the Woodcraft lowering clip-ons, velocity stacks, air filter, which we've got most of that over there. All the driven aluminum stuff on the back. STG had a Black Friday sale on that. As you can see, it's in she's in a bunch of pieces. GB Racing covers. Trying to think of what else. Oh, it's got Spiegler lines on it. We are going to do rotors. We're going to put Dunlop Q5 pluses on it. Like I said, I will make a little bit better video of the fork cartridges themselves when I get it set up, but I just wanted to put it out there. If you're going to do it, super easy to do, save you $250, but you will have to have a special socket. That's pretty much the only special tool you would need. A 19mm wrench will actually work for holding the spring in. The cartridge wrench probably wouldn't be a bad idea to hold it while you can tighten the nut, but we've done them before without having to hold it, so hopefully that goes okay as long as we can torque it, you know, to whatever the setting. And I will get all that information and actually put it out so you guys can see how to do it yourself, because there's literally no information. STG did a write-up on the K-Tex, but not the GPs, and they didn't send any paperwork or anything with it. So I'll let you know what we find out. Thanks.